For this hydroelectric application, our team used the FARO Leap ST 3D scanner with photogrammetry technology to capture the geometry of large and complex components with speed and precision. Starting with the crown model, photogrammetry helped establish accurate spatial references across the component, enabling reliable 3D scanning of its complete geometry and critical surfaces. Next, we move to the big band and band assembly, where capturing large-scale geometry and assembly interfaces is essential for accurate inspection and dimensional analysis. The FARO Leap ST enables us to quickly transform complex physical components into detailed digital 3D data, helping engineers understand actual geometry and make informed decisions. From individual components to complete assemblies,